Next, enthalpy. Enthalpy. See, whenever if any system is kept at any set of conditions, every system will maintain some amount of the energy inside of it. The energy that is stored or present inside the system is represented with the internal energy. Next, if some amount of energy is present inside the system, it will be usually exist in the form of a storable form of energy, or it will exist as an absolute form of energy. But a part of the absolute form of energy, it may exist as a work form of energy or some other form of energy. Therefore, this is the absolute or stored energy. This is the work form of energy or some other form of energy. Therefore, this is stored form of energy plus other form of energy together is called enthalpy. So, the enthalpy means simply the total energy that is present in all possible forms is called enthalpy. Therefore, enthalpy H is equal to U plus PV. Here U is internal energy, here P pressure, V is volume. Pressure and volume, this is called one particular form of energy. It need not be expansion form of energy. Just if some other form of energy which is present inside the system, we are representing with the PV. Next, we already know that pressure is a state variable, V is a state variable, U is a state variable. Therefore, enthalpy is also state variable. H is a state variable. Is state variable. Next, see, already we know that internal energy is a extensive property. Pressure is extensive property, volume is extensive property, therefore H is also extensive property. H is a extensive property. Extensive property. Next, change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy is equal to du plus differential of PV. Differential of PV. Therefore, total differential del H is equal to du plus P dV plus V dP. V dP. At constant pressure, V dP is equal to 0. Therefore, del H is equal to del U plus P dV.